guys, it's Achleen here, and before starting with the video, I would like to ask a question first. Have you ever had one of those days where you're like, okay, today I'm gonna do that work with full concentration or study for at least 8 to 10 hours, but as soon as you start doing that work, you seem distracted. Notifications coming up, you start seeing your phone. Well, it's all because your focus muscle is not that strong enough. So, in today's video, I'll give some of the tips on how to focus at work. So, stay tuned till the last.
The first and the foremost step is start your day with some exercise and meditation. Do some basic exercises for at least 20 minutes that will help you to develop stronger focus throughout the day. The second is choose the correct food. The body is a collection of everything. Healthy diet helps your brain to run smoothly. Choose wisely and eat fresh, and then witness the change in the state of your mind. Focus, it's the deciding factor in the race of success. Focus can truly change everything. The more you focus in life, the better your life will be. Person who becomes successful aren't the ones who work the hardest, they are the ones who can maintain maximum focus in their work. Cal Newport wrote Deep Work. In that book, he told one of the things that was work accomplished is equals to time spent into intensity of focus. The most important is have a designated workplace with limited distractions. Find a study space where you can feel productive and focused without getting distracted, and try to have separate places for work and relaxation. The last is listen to sounds or music to eliminate distraction from background music. Music always helps people to calm down and focus better.
Distraction will always knock your doors. It's your choice what you choose between focus versus distraction. I hope now you guys can concentrate on your work without being distracted. So, thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Thank you.